Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Chapter 1 Preliminary. Section 1 Short Title and Extents. Section 2 Application of Act. Section 3 Definition. 2A Custom and Usage. 2B District Code. 2C Full blood, half blood. 2D Uterine blood. 2E Prescribed. 2F Spenda relationship. 2G Degree of prohibited relationship. Section 4 Overriding effect of the Act. Chapter 2 Hindu marriages. Section 5 Condition for a Hindu marriage. Section 6 Guardianship in marriage. Section 7 Ceremonies for Hindu marriage. Section 8 Registration of Hindu marriages. Chapter 3 Restitution of conjugal rights and judicial separation. Section 9 Restitution of conjugal rights. Section 10 Judicial separation. Chapter 4 Nullity of marriage and divorce. Section 11 Void marriages. Section 12 Voidable marriage. Section 13 Divorce. Section 13A Alternate relief and divorce proceeding. Section 30B Divorce by mutual consent. Section 14 No petition for divorce to be presented within 1 year of marriage. Section 15 Divorced person when may marry again. Section 16 Legitimacy of children of void and voidable marriages. Section 17 Punishment of bigamy. Section 18 Punishment for contravention of certain other conditions for a Hindu marriage. Chapter 5 Jurisdiction and procedure. Section 19 Court to which petition should be made. Section 20 Content and verification of petition. Section 21 Application of Act of 1908. Section 21A Power to transfer petition in certain cases. Section 21B Special provision relating to trial and disposal of petition under the Act. Section 21C Documentary evidence. Section 22 Proceeding may be in camera and may not be printed or published. Section 23 Decree in proceeding. Section 23A Relief for respondent in divorce and other proceeding. Section 24 Maintenance pending light and expenses of proceeding. Section 25 Permanent alimony and marriage maintenance. Section 26 Custody of children. Section 27 Disposal of property. Section 28 Appeal from decree and order. Section 28A Enforcement of decree and order. Chapter 6 Saving and repeal. 29 Saving, 30 repeal.